Once upon a time, in a twinkling sky, lived a little star named Flash. Flash was not like the other stars. He was smaller and shone brighter. Every night, Flash would gleam, outshining all the stars, creating a beautiful spectacle. One night, Flash decided to chase the moon, hoping to make it twinkle too. He raced through the sky, leaving a trail of sparkles behind. But the moon just smiled and carried on. Feeling a little disappointed, Flash slowed down and looked at the world below. He saw a little girl who was having trouble sleeping. Her eyes were wide open, staring at the ceiling. Flash felt a warmth in his heart and decided to help. He started to twinkle brightly, hoping to catch the girl's attention. The girl's eyes widened, and she looked up at the sky, her eyes filled with wonder. She closed her eyes and drifted off to sleep, with a happy smile on her face. Flash felt a sense of happiness, knowing he had made someone's night brighter. From that day on, Flash didn't chase the moon anymore. Instead, he used his shine to help little ones sleep. He became known as the star that brings sweet dreams, the little star named Flash. The end.